Hey people, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check for viruses on Android. For this, search for your this app, which is Phone Manager. Tap on it, and now you this is app scanning on all of your virus from here. You can see, go for optimize, and it's cleaning all of your viruses from here. So yeah, and you can scan viruses from here manually. So it takes few seconds or a minute. Okay, it's scanning now. I have to wait for a minute from this virus scanning. Now it's secure now. So yeah, that's how you can scan or find scan on Android. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.